Okay guys, this is our lesson 3. So in lesson 3 we are going to be looking at measuring time accurately using a stopwatch, and we shall start by looking at the units of time. So let's go ahead and look at the units. The SI unit of time is second. The symbol is S, of course. An example: an object falls and hits the ground in 12 seconds, or 12 with the symbol S for second. Other units include minutes, hours, and days. So we are to convert the following to hours. Let's start with 1A. We are to convert to hours. 60 minutes to hours, right? Where do we start? We start by writing the ratio minutes, hours. How many minutes are there in 1 hour? 60. So that means it's just 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour is the answer. B, we are to change 15 minutes to hours. Once again, hours to minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 15 minutes is X. What do? We cross multiply. Upon cross multiplying, what we get? 60x is equal to 1 times 15. Right? So what do? We divide by 15 both, by 60 both sides. Divide by 60 both sides, and what do we get? We get 16 to 60, 1. So x is equal to 0.25. So that's 0.25 hours. Right? C, we have C, right? Yes, C. 45 minutes to hours. I think I have to cancel this to save space. Okay, let me just continue. We'll cancel when we begin question 2. So C, once again, hours, minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes, right? So what do we have? We have 45 minutes. X, what is X? 45 minutes supposed to be, it's less than 60, so X is less than 1, right? We cross multiply. 60 times X. 60x is equal to 1 times 15. 45. 1 times 45. So 60x is equal to 45. Divide both sides by 60. Divide both sides by 60. 16 to 61. 16 to 61. 16 to 61 into. So if you just punch using your calculator, you'll get 0.75. So x is equal to 0.75. So 45 minutes is 0.75 hours. So that's it. So now let's look at question number 2. Question number 2. Delete this. It has to go. Everything has to go. So we are to look at question 2. Question 2. A, we are to convert 0.75 minutes to what? 2 seconds. seconds. Where do we start? We start by the ratio minutes to seconds. So 1 minute is 60 seconds, right? So how about 0.75? How many seconds is that? X. What do? We cross multiply. So 1x is equal to 60 times 0.75. So multiplying by 1, we can remove the 1 and we left with x. So x is equal to, if we multiply 60 and 0.75, we get 45. So the answer is 45 seconds. It's 45 seconds. Then B 2 hours 2 seconds. 2 hours 2 seconds. So 2 hours 2 seconds, we have to convert first 2 hours to minutes, then from minutes to seconds. So hours, so let's go hours to minutes, right? 1 hour is 60. 2 hours is definitely 120, because if we multiply this by 2, we also multiply this by 2. So now minutes to seconds, we have 1 minute is 60. Now how about 120? 120 is x. So if we cross multiply, 1x is equal to 120 times 60, right? 120 times 60. So what do we get? X is equal to 7200, which means 2 hours is 7200 seconds. So this is the answer. Then now let's look at the last question, which is C. We are to find 0.25 hours in seconds. 0.25, this is 1/4. This is 1/4. So it's 1/4 of n. It's a quarter of an hour, right? 1/4 of an hour is 1/4 of 1 hour is 15 minutes. We have heard people say quarter to, quarter past. That's 15 minutes. So with this 15 minutes now, 15 minutes to seconds, right? We know that 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 15 minutes, 15 times 60, what do we get? That's 15 times 60, and that's 15 times 60. So let's punch our calculators. So if we punch our calculators, we get 900. So the answer is 900 seconds. So this is our final answer. So that's it about units of time. So now we are going to be looking at a stopwatch.